satisfy every man's need, but not every man's creed by Mahatma Gandhi. Hi everyone, do you know the specialty of July 28? Yes, it is World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is an annual event held on July 28. It means the wise use of nature and its resources. The Earth's natural resources are air, water, minerals, soil, plants, and wildlife. Conservation is the care and protection of these resources so that they can be preserved for the future generation.
World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 20th July every year. It is celebrated to raise the awareness about protecting nature and conserving our natural resources. It is also observed to make people understand the importance of conserving our beautiful and precious nature. Nature is facing lots of problems like deforestation, global warming, urbanization, the loss of flora and fauna, among others. So, we should keep our nature clean and healthy, and we have to protect our mother earth. Thank you. Gratitude.